Hey, it's Joe Farrow with Geek Toolkit, and I'm going to make a quick video that I'm not going to edit or anything. It's not all the fancy equipment. It's just me talking to my subscriber base, which just crossed 400 subscribers, and that's amazing. So I have 400 subscribers now, and a lot of them are very passionate about CNC stuff, and I want to give an update there. The update is that I'm still waiting on my shed to be built. So if you're following the CNC stuff, I had a shed that I was looking to build. I moved into a new house, don't have a workshop, trying to build a shed, and the HOA has not approved the full application yet. So that's kind of stuck in bureaucracy Hades, and as soon as I get through that, I will start making CNC videos again. I'm very passionate about it. I cannot wait to get my CNC set up again, but for now it's just sitting in my garage, packed up next to my car, which I don't want to get dirty, so that's why I'm not using it. The other side, the project side, I think is going really well. I've put out a couple of projects. The mini magic mirror, I didn't know how that video would do. Crossed 4,500 views already. People are, thumbs upping it and liking it, and that's always motivating for me. I'm very thankful for that. But that's cool. That's great. People are excited about it, and I was excited about it, so I didn't know how they do. The DynaFrame videos, I'm still working on getting some more videos up on that and getting some more features, but those are doing okay. I was more excited about them. And you see, I've got them running all the time. I was more excited about them, I think, than other people were, but that's okay. You live and learn. So let's see. I'm looking at my list here to figure out what else I've got coming up on my channel. The LED coasters are printing right now. I printed some... I printed some coasters. Basically, I printed bad prints that didn't go well for the LED frame. So anyway, it's funny, when we printed CDs back in the day and they went bad, we called them coasters. Now I'm trying to print coasters and they're going bad, so I guess you still call them coasters. They're just not cool ones. And coming up next, the other thing is I'm going to start working on some coding tutorials and basic tutorials for Arduino, where you won't need to know how to code, but you'll understand how to use Arduino for basic things like moving a servo and lighting up LEDs. I've got a couple of friends that are into things like Halloween decorations and such, and they were looking for very basic non-coding ways to do things. And I've been thinking about that a lot, and there's not a lot of tutorials I found that have really been kind of the way I would want to teach coding or teach the Arduino. So I'm going to give it a shot myself and see how people take it. And hopefully, I'll add my own little spin to it. And of course, it'll be geeky, and we'll see how it goes. So anyway, that's a quick channel update and a couple of celebrations. 70,000 views. The mini magic mirror crossing 4,500 and 400 subscribers. Those are all amazing milestones for me. Thank you so much, because I couldn't have them without you. Really appreciate the passion around the channel, the positive community, the likes, the comments, and know that I'm working hard to continue to produce content for you. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time.